I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and I want to share with you some flip throughs of some of the new sticker books from the Happy Planner. These are from the winter release 2021, and in this video, I'm going to flip through Let's Stay Home, Let Your Heart Wander, Bright Type, and the larger Bright Type. So if you're interested in checking out some detailed flip throughs of these books, be sure to stay tuned. All right, so let's start out with Let's Stay Home, which of course has all of the homebody vibes. Super pretty, but I really love all of the cleaning, the chore tasks that are in here. They are perfect for a project that I'm going to be working on for 2022, so that's why I picked up the sticker book. All right, so it starts with the spring tasks. Today is a perfect day to start. Anything is possible with a little passion and a lot of work. You have meal prep. New season, fresh start. Staying in is not boring, so true. Okay, so here's what I was talking about. Here's this list of like to-dos, and it's different for each season, which I think is awesome. So I'm excited to get to use these stickers. So good. Okay, some of them are like everyday chores, like or every week chores, empty all the trash cans, you know, deep clean, but some of them are different from season to season, which I think is super cool. All right, the market list, today's chores. This is pair really well with the recipe planner. Water the plants. I should probably do that because I kill all the plants. All right, this is awesome. Trash day, bills due, payments, takeout, payday. So this is like your home organizing one. Love the trim on these boxes with the florals. Look at this one. Declutter thee. Declutter thee. I love it. Tidy up thee. Vacuum. Oh, you guys, I'm super excited. So that was like the spring list, if that makes sense. And now we're into summer. So you have a different feel for the florals in this one. Homebody, summer tasks, summer cleaning. It's okay to be happy with a calm life. Life is better at home. New season, fresh start. So you can see how these have kind of a different feel. Here's celebrate, birthday. Now these are in the summer colors. Pick up, drop off, appointment, dine out, car wash. I mean, you can mix and match. It doesn't have to be in that particular season. More floral boxes. Dust the, clean up the, wipe down. I love it, you guys. Now you're into autumn. The best time for new beginnings is now. Super cute. And with some foil on these. Here's your tasks for the autumn time. Today's chores, getting laundry done. I need about a gazillion of those stickers. Yard work, raking the leaves. So good. And look at all these little flags. I love that you get so many of them and that they're tiny. More floral stickers. Clean out the, dust off. Love those, you guys. I'm so excited. Then we're into winter. Super cute. Love that. Here's your winter list. Take down decor, holiday decor, take down Christmas lights, read a traditional story. Oh, I love it. Here's holiday things, like holiday party, wrap gifts, gather with loved ones. So pretty. Running errands, wash the dishes, and then more banners and the boxes. Sorry, here's the boxes without the labels. And here's the boxes. I like restock, organize, decorate. Oh, I'm so excited. So this is not normally a sticker book I would get, but because I want to launch into like a year-long project of cleaning and organizing our house, this is going to be really handy. And I'll try to do a video because I'm planning on like setting up this calendar like all at once, like using a ton of these stickers in one sitting. So we'll see if I try to do a video about that, but that is Let's Stay Home. All right, then we have Let Your Heart Wander. And this is another one that's not my normal kind of style, but I was super intrigued by it. And I loved the planner that kind of went along with this. I didn't get the planner because I didn't need the planner, but I loved the sticker book. How you speak to yourself matters. Know your strength. Your energy is sacred. These are great for journaling. I'm feeling, choose happy. You were made to do hard things, so believe in yourself. I just love the feel of this, and I love the wildflowers. Proud of me. You are enough. Quiet the mind and the soul will speak. Surround yourself with positive energy. Your mental well-being, your success, and your happiness depend on it. And these feel like extra long boxes, so I'm guessing this goes really well with that particular planner. Here are some goal-oriented ones. Perfect, especially for the beginning of the year. And then these have like moods. So this one says feeling great, feeling down, feeling happy, feeling okay, feeling great, feeling down, feeling happy, feeling okay. So feeling worthy and proud, great. We had worthy and proud a couple times. So some different things to kind of track your mood. Again, some great stickers for journaling purposes about what you're feeling, how you're going to breathe, recharge, meditate, and more journaling stickers. Look at just those silhouettes. I think those are so pretty. You have different things in here. Milestone, progress, growth, reflection. Focus on your thoughts on one thing or event. So some reflection stickers. Again, more reflection stickers. You are beautiful. It will be okay. Find your balance. You are brave. Remember to breathe. You are strong. So pretty. I just love the aesthetic. I think these are going to be great for journaling purposes. This one's about gratitude, feeling grateful for, motivated to, feeling emotional about. Get some different ones of that. Same thing, but different feel in the background with those kind of pictures as the background. Some power words. Choose one word to help motivate you. I think that is a lot of fun. A lot of us choose a word of the year, but you can also choose a word for like a week that might be fitting for a particular week. I love these stickers. Look how beautiful. Those are connect, create. So, so, so pretty. Tracking habits. Super important. These are more of your emotion mood trackers. More habit trackers. Love these little flags for decorating. These have foil. Again, a mood tracker where you can kind of fill in the emoji right here and mark your mood for the day. Some faux washi tape. And again, some more faux washi tape. These are on clear sticker paper. I think they are so beautiful. Quiet the mind and the soul will speak. Growth is uncomfortable because you've never been here before. Never trust your fears. They do not know your strength. I love that. And more of these. These are again on clear. So pretty. This is all foil quotes. And then these again are on clear, but no foil this time. I think it's the same quotes. Yeah, same quotes. These are silver foil. Very pretty. And then same thing, but unfoiled. These are on clear, which they've been doing recently, like putting some more box stickers on clear. I think that's really interesting. I just love these pictures. They're gorgeous. Check-in, so good. Feeling. Love that. Some like splatters and then in silver. You guys, I love this one way more than I thought I would. I think that's really interesting. So, don't be afraid to pick up some sticker books that maybe don't initially appeal to you and check them out. Flip through them once they're in stores because sometimes they can really surprise you. So that is the Let Your Heart Wander sticker book. All right, next up is Bright Type. This is one that I knew right away I wanted. It's totally my normal vibe, very colorful, very positive. I love words and inspiration and phrases that gives me life in my planner. So I love doing that. I hope you feel beautiful today. Color me happy. Enjoy every day. Do what you love. Pretty important stuff right here. I like that. Rock this day. Love these moments. This would be great for memory planning. This one is on clear. You've got this. Good days ahead. Always find reasons to laugh. Love that little spray right there. Awesome headers. Some more headers. These are all on clear. Here are some daisies. This is paper and they have like this soft blush pink outline. Super pretty. Look at these cool boxes. This has like a retro vibe that I'm all about. Noted, important. And then in the blues and greens. These are paper. All right, these are actually on, what are these on? These are on clear, I think. Let me see if I can pull one up for you. Yeah, these are on clear sticker paper, actually, and they have foil to them. So it's all the feels, happy notes, so important, get it done. These are also on clear, time with friends, celebrate today, weekend adventures. So these are beautiful. Those are so pretty. I love the color scheme for this one. All right, some vertical boxes, bringing in a little bit of the black and checklists. I always love a checklist. More boxes and more checklists and more flowers, this time in like all the colors. And then you have your kind of classic white border. These boxes are fantastic, especially in a monthly spread, I feel like, but these have foil details. And then you get the same size boxes without the foil details. Look at this, happy notes, and then look at this pattern on those boxes. I think that is super cute, and the bullets right here. Love that. I love this pattern in the background. I think that is so fun, and they included that on several different things for this winter release, and I'm all about it. All the things. Back to clear sticker paper. Get busy, live your dream, all smiles. Confetti in the air, like you just don't care. How fun would it be? Would this be a great birthday month or birthday week sticker book? I think so. Some more of that gorgeous lettering. I was born to do this. I love that. That's on clear. This is also on clear. A ton of clear in this one. Some double boxes. We're back to white sticker paper. More checklists. More double boxes and more checklists. More double boxes. That's a lot of double boxes. Plan your dreams. You can do anything. And these are really pretty too. These are some monthly boxes. I think those are super cute. Again, totally digging that vibe. And more daisies. You get so many daisies. So cute. All right, some clear. Plan on it. Be kind. Hello. Always be colorful. Got some foil going on. Here are some phrases with foil. That's super cute. Love including those. And then phrases without foil. And back to some vertical boxes here at the end. Color your world with kind words. Dance to your own rhythm. Always believe you can. I love it. So totally knew this one was going to be my vibe, and I wasn't wrong. This one is so cute. I was super tempted to pick up the matching planner that goes with this one. I just didn't need another planner at the moment. So that one will be one I keep my eye on because it is really, really pretty. So along the same lines, I went ahead and picked up the Bright Type large sticker book. So they started these in the fall with the fall release with Miss Maker and Seasons of Color, and they released a couple more this time around. And I love these large stickers. So I got this possibly for my planner, but also for some easy card making. So I'm hoping to do a video to show you how I just kind of use something like this to put together a bunch of easy cards that you can send with your Happy Mail. So let's take a look. Again, these are going to be really large stickers, and they're super large. So we're going to see a lot of the same things that we saw before, but now they're like blown up to big size. And if you're a big planner, then I would not hesitate to buy some of these. Be a nice human. I love that. Look at the daisies. Those are so stinking cute. You don't have to use these in a big planner. You can use them in any size planner that you want. Look at that trail of stars. So adorable. I'm super intrigued by these ones with the black in the background. I think that is cool. Life is so good. Hooray for today. Better days are coming. They are called Saturday and Sunday. Yes, I love that. It's true. More confetti, please. If you're going to rise, you might as well shine. Also very true. Rock this day. Live life in full bloom. Make room for good things. Living that happy life. Do what you love. Dream big. Dream often. More better days are coming. I think that's so, like, how cute would that be on a card that you give to someone and then you write them like a note? I really feel like this lends itself nicely. This one is on paper, which is pretty. And these are paper also. So you get some on clear, some on paper, which are awesome. Every day should start with coffee and end with ice cream. I feel like that should be my life mantra. Be you, do you, for you. Guys, these are so good. So good. If you can't find the sunshine, be the sunshine. Yes, yes. Oh my goodness. So good. All right, so that is Bright Type, the big one, the Bright Type Value Pack, the Let Your Heart Wander Value Pack, and Let's Stay Home Value Pack. Again, these are all available over at the Happy Planner. I do believe some will start to show up in stores. Of course, shipping has been like wonky for months now, so the easiest way to get them is to go ahead and order them from the Happy Planner, but you can also start checking some local stores as well. All right, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. I'd love to hear in the comments below which of these sticker books was your favorite. I do have links down in the description box, so you can check those out if you are interested. And I want to give a huge shout out to my Scrappy YouTube members. Thank you so much for all of your support. I hope that all of you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.